Hello dear students. Today we will complete chapter number 25 and the name of the chapter is Natural Resources. So what are natural resources? These are the resources which we get directly from nature. For example, sunlight, air, water, coal, petroleum, etc. We use these resources in our daily life. Natural resources can be divided into two types. First is renewable resources and another one is non-renewable resources. Let us see what are renewable resources. Some of the natural resources that can never get exhausted or cannot be completely finished are known as renewable resources. For example, sunlight, air, water, soil, etc. Second is non-renewable resources. Some natural resources like coal, petroleum, minerals are very limited and can be exhausted because of overuse. So we must use them judiciously. Now let us complete our chapter. So categorize these energy resources as renewable and non-renewable resources. So आपको इस चैप्टर में कुछ पिक्चर्स गिवन है. आपको उन पिक्चर्स को सेग्रीगेट करना है एज रिन्यूएबल रिसोर्स एंड नॉन रिन्यूएबल रिसोर्स. First picture is of wood. So wood is a renewable resource because it can never get exhausted or it can never get completely finished because we get wood from plants and we can grow plants again. Next is thermal energy. Thermal energy takes millions of years to form. That's why it is a non-renewable resource. After that, wind energy. Wind energy is a renewable resource because we get this energy from wind and wind cannot be exhausted or completely finished. Hydro energy. Hydro energy is a renewable resource because we get this energy from water and water is a natural resource or water is a renewable resource. It can never get exhausted or completely finished. Petroleum is a fossil fuel and it takes millions of years to get replaced. So it is a non-renewable resource. Next is solar energy that we get from sun. So it is a renewable resource. Next is a geothermal energy. Geo means earth and thermal means heat. So the heat we get from the earth. So it is a renewable resource. Geothermal energy is a renewable resource because it can never get exhausted as long as earth is there. Next is nuclear energy. It is a non-renewable resource because it can be exhausted. Next is tidal energy that we got from the tides. So it is a renewable resource. Next and last is natural gas. It takes millions of years. So it is a non-renewable resource. Hope the chapter is clear now. Thank you and have a nice day.